channel. Today we're going to be working on the headlights. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be taking these busted, broken headlights out. We're replacing the actual bulbs as well. These are the bulbs, guys. They're glass. There's not an actual little bulb you put in. You got to replace the whole glass piece. They do work, but the reason I'm replacing them is, if you could see in there, there's corrosion and the chrome is peeling away and is very faded in a lot of spots, so they're not going to throw great light. So I've got all new parts over here. Excuse the sniffling, it's pretty chilly in here, guys. It was 70 degrees the other day when I made that other video. It's like 43 out now with like a wind chill in the low 30s or so, so pretty chilly. So we got here, these are new, these are the corner lights. These are the headlights. We got low beams and high beams. These are the fog lights, and these are the turn signals. And I'm going to show you which one's which here. So we got corner lights. Are those yellow boxes? That would be this right here is the corner light. Believe it or not, these are the turn signals. That's those long boxes down there. And then the fog lights. These aren't busted, and I'm pretty sure they're original, but they are so pitted and so dull. And I got those are those white boxes right there. We're gonna start with that, so let me just start taking this thing apart. First you do is you gotta take this grill out. So far, guys, this is what we got. We have the everything taken apart, headlights, turn signals, everything is out. This is how everything's laid out before I install it. This is everything that's getting put on new. As you can see, everything is nice and minty. Fog lights, headlights, turn signals, marker lights, everything. I'm gonna start installing stuff and get this thing back together. So yeah, let me get you set back up so you guys can watch me throw this back together. You should start to get a pretty good idea how it's gonna look. Other than that, let's get started. This is the new fog lights. You see the difference, how much brighter they are. I guess I can install those. There really ain't much to install, but let's start getting everything else in here. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look. So I took the, these are the chrome bezels that go around the headlights. I took them inside and cleaned them. They cleaned up actually really, really well. I didn't polish them, but that'll be later on down the road, guys. Right now, it's just get this car running and driving. Okay, figured it out. All right, so I've been having trouble getting this light in, guys. Just figured it out. There's a little hole over here, and you see this prong right here? All right, this prong goes in that hole. Well, that hole, the prong from the other light is still in there. That's why it won't slide in. And I'm sitting there like trying to figure this out. I can't figure it out, and I just happened to see it. Get it out. There it goes. Got it out, guys. Got it. Oh, I got it. I got the gasket where it needs to go. Thank God. That was a pain. That's my doggy here. My roommate came home, so my dog knows I'm out here, so he's been whining. I don't know if you guys can hear him on camera or not. He's that big, vicious pit bull. For those of you that follow me on Instagram. Oh boy. What's up? He has a Instagram page as well. If you want to follow my dog, it's @ReckyRoo. Just go to my Instagram. It's under my bio. You can find his page on there. Guys, it's probably a week or so later from when I first started doing these. I was having issues with the headlight bezels. They're not done yet, actually. But also, this is my third attempt at doing the ending of this video because for some reason, the first time it didn't record, and the second time there was no audio. So hopefully third time's a charm. Anyways, car's all done, guys, minus the bezels. We'll get to those later on. Everything's looking good. I've already tested everything. Everything works. I'm gonna set you up here in a second, and I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna turn the lights off and get the car turned on. I'm not gonna turn the car on, but I'm gonna turn the lights on, hook the battery up. So let me do that for you. I did a little work off camera. I did this one fog light. I had to do some wire repairs because the wires were kind of foobarred up on these fog lights, especially that one. Someone had, I'll show you. Someone had fixed the ground wire on this fog light with, what do you know, That's a wire nut. You do not use that on cars. That's for houses. For indoor electrical wiring on a house, not for a car. All right, batteries hooked up, guys. Let's turn these lights on one at a time, and you get to see how clear everything is now. Everything looks really nice. So we got running lights, low beams. All right. There's your high beams. Let's go back to the low beams. This is my favorite, are the fogs. The fog lights look really nice. Also, the blinkers are working. Front and back too, guys. Blinkers work front and back. So let me turn the lights off. Actually, I need lights on so I can see what the heck's going on. All right, low beams. Let's do some lights with the lights off in the garage. You guys can see that on video, but these lights are very clear. Crystal clear. Fog lights. High beams. Back to low beams. Fogs. Back to lows. Parking lights. And we're off. Pitch black. So what we got, guys. Very happy with the outcome on how these lights turned out. I think everything looks amazing. So what do you guys think? Look at those corners, nice and clear. Got the gaskets even to line up pretty well as well. I mean, pretty good fitment here, guys. Everything fits really nicely. For aftermarket parts, I can't complain. All right, everyone. Well, I think that's gonna be it for this video on the headlights. I'll get to the bezels later. They're in the middle of the painting process. I had them painted and they were almost done, but they, the cold weather and the wet weather reacted with the paint. Even though I was drying them in warm conditions, painting them outside in that cold weather, it just did not work out. So I'm having to do a little bit different process. Everything's coming up fine so far, so hopefully I have those done and you guys will get a look at these headlights with the bezels in them. So I think that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.